Reading Uni weather.
Hello there. While many of us saw sunny conditions yesterday, that's all about to change. As you go through the next few days, we're expecting to see increased cloud cover. However, temperatures will remain quite mild thanks to a southerly breeze. Looking at last night's Met Office surface pressure chart then, we can see this scary looking low pressure system is approaching the UK quite rapidly. The tight isobars means that we can expect to see gales along exposed western coasts. For the rest of us, Monday means increasing cloud cover, and there could even be some rain in the southwestern parts. At this point, the low pressure system is easing, and therefore the gales should calm down throughout the day. Temperatures are average for the time of year, with 13 or 14 in the south and a cooler 10 or 11 in the north. For tonight, the low pressure system is weakening and it remains in the southwest of the UK. If you're expecting to see the supermoon tonight, I'm afraid you'll be sorely disappointed. Increasing cloud cover means that from Reading, the skies will look like this for the majority of the night. For the rest of the UK, there's not really much to talk about. Thick cloud in the south, patchy cloud in the north, with a possibility of some fog patches in central Wales. Temperatures are kept up in the south by that cloud cover at 13 or 14 degrees. However, in the north with the patchy cloud, the temperatures are cooling to around 8 or 9 degrees. For Tuesday then, this stubborn low pressure system remains in the southwest. However, it has weakened significantly, and then we have this weird looking set of fronts that are moving northeast across the UK. So in the morning the fog should clear quite rapidly, and then we're left with cloudy skies, which then turns to rain in the afternoon. Looking further ahead, that rain band should clear the UK Tuesday night and into Wednesday. For the rest of the week, the temperatures remain mild, and then when we get towards the weekend we're expecting some more unsettled weather. Now over to Sabrina, who's going to talk about the news for this week.
Hi there, now on to global weather. We've seen a record-breaking hurricane this week, the most powerful hurricane to affect the Western Hemisphere. So it affected Mexico as a Category 5 hurricane, and it's called Hurricane Patricia. Now taking a look, we can see it's taken up a vast area, and you can see the eye in this image, which is a prominent feature when looking at hurricanes. The track shows that it moved in a northeasterly direction over the Pacific and then made landfall in Mexico. Now the winds were very strong out in the sea, 205 miles per hour, and then they weakened to about 25 miles per hour as they moved much further inland. This is a NOAA image, and it shows that on Saturday the hurricane transitioned into a tropical depression, so we no longer have those very strong winds associated with this storm. Now looking at Texas, they've already had a lot of rainfall recently due to a frontal system, 10 inches in Waco, over 20 inches in Corsicana, and now due to the remnants of this hurricane they're expecting even more. So the ground is already saturated and we're expecting some flash flooding, and also for parts of Louisiana. Now surprisingly, we haven't had any fatalities in Mexico due to the hurricane, which is quite surprising, as this hurricane really did have the capability of being catastrophic. And also the coastlines are very densely populated, so we've been lucky this time, but there are still some warnings in place for flash flooding and for landslides.
Reading Uni weather.